Did you know that you can use your watercolor paints as inks for pointed pen calligraphy? In this video, we'll see how we can use watercolors as inks for pointed pen calligraphy.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.
For using watercolors as inks, we will first have to activate the watercolors with some water. If you are using watercolor pans or cakes like these, spray some water over them or pour some water using a dropper or pipette. And if you are using watercolor tubes, take some paint on your palette and add a few drops of water and mix well. After a few seconds, the watercolors will be activated, so using a paintbrush, just mix the watercolor with the paint to make sure that the watercolor paint is activated. Now take some paint on your paintbrush and apply it on the back side of the nib. Make sure that the consistency of the watercolor is neither too thick nor too watery. Add a good amount of paint on the back side of the nib and check for the consistency of the ink. So in this way you can easily use watercolors as inks for pointed pen calligraphy. In this case, you don't dip the nib in the ink, but you have to apply the watercolor on the nib using the paintbrush every time. You can do this for metallic or even neon watercolors as well. In this video, I used a variety of watercolors from some handmade watercolors and metallic watercolors. You can use watercolor pans, cakes, tubes, anything that you have.